Hello everyone. Today we are going to be making spicy shrimp and chickpea salad. This is a fast, easy, simple recipe to make. It will fill up your belly. Anyways, the ingredients that you're going to be needing for this recipe is 1 cucumber and a half, 1 lime and a half, or if you want 2 tomatoes, a handful of cilantro, olive oil for dressing, 2 cans of chickpeas, and this is optional, avocado. So I have the girls here helping me out peel the shrimp while I am peeling and cutting all the vegetables. Drain your 2 cans of peas and put them in a bowl. Now you want to dice your cucumbers. You can keep the skin on or off, doesn't really matter, it's up to you. Also, you want to be dicing your tomato. And then you always want to make sure that when you chop cilantro, it is finely chopped into very thin slices, so you don't feel them in your mouth, because I know I don't like that feeling in my mouth. Okay, now onto the shrimp. The spices that you are going to be needing is honestly up to you. This is the seasonings I use for my shrimp. So you want to make sure that you peel and devein your shrimp. I use garlic powder, cayenne pepper, garlic salt, red peppers, what else? Oh, sorry, red pepper flakes. And yeah, I think that's all that I use. And the reason why I use like spicy seasoning is because, well, duh, it is called a spicy chickpea salad. You want to put your pan on medium high. I use olive oil, and you also want to dice some garlic to give it a garlic taste. Garlic is good with everything. Now you want to make sure you cook your shrimp as you prefer, whether you like it well done or just right. It's all up to you. This is how you make your shrimp, okay? You don't have to follow my steps. You do as you please. You can even add your own seasonings. This is just what I use. Anyways, when all your shrimp is done, and start making your dressing. So I'm going to be using olive oil. You can use like a tablespoon and a half, or even 2 tablespoons. I used lime, a full lime, salt to season, and pepper. And this is optional, chili flakes. You hear my son in the background. I apologize. I am a mother. Okay, I'm back. He's on my boob. Okay, so now you're going to mix all of your salad together in your dressing and have this beautiful, bright salad bowl full of good and healthy stuff that is so healthy for you. Oh, how could I forget? If you want, you can add some avocados, and I love avocados. Avocado just gives it that it's just that cherry on top. So I didn't really add that much because my whole family's not really big on avocados, but you know what they don't know won't hurt them. So yeah, I added avocados. Now I'm gonna add the delicious. Look how good that shrimp looks. The delicious shrimp. Now, guys, when I mean this is good. When I mean this is the bomb, it is bomb as if. Like, it is so good. The crunch of the shrimp, the crunch of the chickpeas, the softness of the avocados, the watery sweetness taste of the tomatoes, it's just delicious. Sorry, I'm the type of person that I don't just like the taste, I like the feeling and texture of food in my mouth. Okay? Don't judge. That's just me. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed cooking this recipe and sharing this recipe with you guys. Let me know if you guys wanted to see more videos like this. Yeah. Anyways, you guys have a good afternoon or good night or good morning. Yep. Share, comment, and like. Like I said, if you guys want to see more videos like this, comment below. Okay, thank you. Bye.